is Chinese pulao, chicken ginger, my mom's specialty, mutton chops masala, hareesa, shami kebab, and for the sides we have Russian salad and green chutney raita, and for desserts we have two desserts that are orange cake and shahi ferni. So I hope you guys are going to watch all of the recipes and is going to enjoy as much as we did while making it and having it. So that's the Russian salad and the Chinese pulao and my mom's chopped masala. That's ginger chicken, hareesa, shami kebab and green chutney raita. All the recipes will be linked. Hareesa is a winter delicacy, and let me know if you would like to have the recipe. I'll be sharing it in future, inshallah. Recipe of shami kebabs is coming really soon, so stay tuned. Recipe of chutneys on my channel already, I'll link it here. That's how we set the dinner table. The drinking glass and the cutlery came on the right hand side. I'll be sharing more table setting ideas in future, inshallah.
माशाल्लाह बहुत मज़ेदार, बहुत टेस्टी, और मैंने खा रही हूँ साथ इंजॉय भी कर रही हूँ।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। वेलकम वेलकम।
चले अंकल और बाबा जी बताएं आप लोगों ने खाया कैसा लगा? अंकल आप? ओह थैंक यू अंकल, थैंक यू।
सब खानों का जवाब नहीं, सब माशाल्लाह, सब लोग खाया आपने बहुत अच्छा
बनाया। थैंक यू सो मच।
मैंने स्टार्ट किए सैलेड से। सैलेड तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत ज़्यादा। उसके बाद आते आते निहारी और सब कुछ, मैंने राइस भी खाए, बहुत मज़ा लगा। उसके बाद जो डेजर्ट आया तो मैं कहता हूँ कि वल्लाह कमाल कमाल।
थैंक यू।
And that concludes the Dawat series. Appreciate all the love greatly. Shall be coming with the similar content really soon, inshallah. In the meantime, keep liking, keep sharing. Do subscribe if you haven't already. Please stay indoors, stay safe. See you guys again soon. Bye.